Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing the brand new BX00. Very rare. I pulled it out. It's the Phoenix. It's the Hell's Chains rare. Alright. Hello? Alessandro?
Hello?
We got Alessandro in here too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I got the tip. Here's the tip.
Ooh.
It's so nice, bro.
Yeah, it is.
It's like 2 colors. That's really special. And then the ratchet. I like this like haunted color theme. Oh my gosh, so nice. And then, here's the special piece, the layer you've all been waiting for. Jenna. Look. Look at this. Look at this nice. Hell's Chain.
Look at this insane glory.
It's too awesome.
Jesus
Looking.
approved.
Let's put together. Will I ever be using it in a battle? I have no idea.
You're just gonna unbox it once and never touch it again.
Never touch it again. But that'd be... Yeah,
You're just gonna unbox it once for a video and be like, bye, have a great time after.
Never use it? Bro, never let Jet have this. Never let Jet see this.
Yeah.
He's gonna destroy us all.
If Jet sees you have a Hell's Chain, he's gonna be like Gollum from Lord of the Rings. Precious.
My precious. I just watched Lord of the Rings a few weeks ago.
Ooh.
My precious. Have you watched all 3 episodes?
I've watched one of them.
Oh, the first one?
Yeah.
Looks so nice. Let's try spinning it. Look at this. It does not look nice when spinning.
Hang on.
So nice. Anyways, that'll be it for this video. Bye, guys.